And the sun doesn't look any better either. So which planet would you choose? Because
Gorilla Tag is adding me to their game. Let me explain. So we all know how Gorilla Tag is based on monkeys. And what do monkeys like to eat? Bananas. And what happens when you eat too much bananas? You get fat. And who is fat? Nikocado Avocado. And what does Nikocado Avocado remind you of? Pigs. And what's a cartoon based on pigs? Peppa Pig. And what does Peppa Pig like to do all of the time? Jump in muddy puddles. And what happens when you jump in muddy puddles? You get dirty. And what else is dirty? A toilet. And what do people use when their poop is stuck in the toilet? A plunger. And who wears a plunger? Me.